Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. I use chisels day in and day out for all kinds of projects, from joinery to art. As a woodworker and a woodcarving artist, I am perhaps the best person to tell you this. Your friends may desert you. Your family might refuse to come near you because you are covered in sawdust from head to toe. But a good set of chisels will never, ever leave your side. The small, handled blades are responsible for many of the mortise and tenon joints, smooth surfaces, and minute detail work that's seen on cabinets, hutches, framework, molding, and other wooden items. With this guide, I will help you choose a chisel set that will serve you a lifetime.
Number 3. IMOTECHOM wood carving chisels.
Apart from having a rather strange name, this entry is set apart from the rest by the fact it is more of a wood carving set than a woodworking set. The price for this 12-piece set is lower than the 4-piece Stanleys up above. It is not the cheapest set of its kind on the market though, and is liked by users who are willing to make an effort to tune them up. For the price point and variety of this set, there's not much that can be faulted except for the edges that need some work before you can start. That said, as far as chisels go, almost all need work before you can use them. This set makes for really great tools for getting started with, and they can last long with proper usage.
Number 2. Stanley 750 Sweetheart Chisels.
Stanley is a well-known and respected name in the woodworker's world, known for its good quality chisels. Each set comes with common sizes that will suit almost every need. Each set also comes with a leather carry pouch, which makes it an attractive choice for those who are just starting out. Overall, these are good mid-level chisels that will need some tuning and working before one can use them for fine work. They will cut softwood out of the box, but that's about it. However, they can be sharpened and flattened easily and retain their edge well enough.
Number 1. Narex 853053 set of 6.
Narex is a premium chisel maker, well loved by woodworkers around the world. They are manufactured at a company-owned unit in the Czech Republic, making their quality consistently reliable. They compare well to the Stanley's chisels, and many users would also recommend them over the Irwin Marples, which are another all-time favorite in the woodworking world. This set comes in a handy wooden box. Overall, Narex have built a reputation for being moderately priced, and yet making consistently good chisels year after year. They tend to last a lifetime and hold up well to all the required resharpening.
If you are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.